you doing today? Hopefully you're doing amazing. So as you all know, recently I did my Petite and Pretty photo shoot or teen modeling vlog, the video that you guys saw on my channel. So yes, that was super fun. I loved it so much. And a lot of you guys have been asking how it works, like if I get the pictures back that we took or all of that. So I'm gonna be showing you guys some behind the scenes today. And the answer is yes, I did get all of the pictures back. They took 1,000 pictures of me, which is crazy. And so we got to look over them. They were super cute. I love them and I'm gonna show you guys. But before I do, I was gonna tell you a little bit more about what we did like the day of and the night we drove up. So we drove up the night before. We were just driving around the city. It was super late at night and I think we actually tried to find like a yogurt shop or something because we were starving for frozen yogurt or something. I don't know why, but we like frozen yogurt. So we were looking, but for some reason we couldn't find it. So we didn't end up going, but we did get to our hotel. It was super fancy and nice. Like I loved it. I was like shocked when I saw the room. I made some TikToks about it. So maybe you guys saw those. It was super cool hotel. I'll have to insert a picture or something here. But yeah, the hotel was awesome. And then the next day we woke up and we drove to the photo shoot and it was actually pretty crazy driving there. Like with all the little random small intersections and stuff they have in that city, like the drivers are just like crazy. Like there's so much stuff going on when you're driving in the city. So that was crazy, but we got there. I mean, we almost got in a head-on collision, so it was crazy. But yeah, we got there and then we did the photo shoot. It was super fun. They did my makeup and I got to try on a bunch of different outfits. But now I am dying to show you guys the pictures. So here we go. That picture is definitely one of my favorites. Okay, so I'm just gonna come in here. Let's see. Here's my closet, and oh, there it is. Here is the outfit. It's so cute. I love it so much. It's like so sparkly and blingy. I mean, everything I worship. Like, look how pretty it is. I love it so much. Thank you, Petite and Pretty. Wasn't that awesome? All the pictures, I love them so much. I don't even know if I can pick a favorite, but I want you guys to tell me, number 1, your favorite outfit that I wore. Number 2, your favorite hair accessory that I wore. Number 3, your favorite background that I stood in front of. And number 4, your favorite overall picture. I really want to know, so make sure you go comment. And you know what? Before I go, I was going to show you guys something. So I've been working on drawing a lot more recently with colored pencils, and I was going to show you guys something that I just finished. It is a balloon dog. Oh, there's lights on it. There we go. It's a cute little pink metallic balloon dog. I'm super proud of it because I did it with colored pencil, and it definitely was hard, but I love it so much. And now I'm gonna work on drawing this broken CD. The Petite and Pretty photo shoot was so much fun. I can't wait to go back again. I hope I'm able to. But trying on all the different outfits was awesome. Also, we got cupcakes at the end, and I got soup. I think I got soup. Actually, no, I just remembered. I ordered salad for lunch, so that was pretty good too. And everyone who was working there was super nice. I had a blast. Also, I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek. I filmed a Miss Johnson video recently, so you're gonna have to watch the channel and see which one it is. I know you guys are gonna love it, for sure. Also, feel free to comment because I'm always responding, but also comment about what videos you want me to do in the future. If you want me to do more challenges or art tutorials, or just tell me what you guys want, I will be sure to do it. And also for Miss Johnson, make sure you leave plenty of funny school ideas that I could do. Like, for example, something funny or crazy that happened at your school, and maybe I could put something similar in my Miss Johnson video. So yeah, tell me stuff like that in the comments. That would be awesome. Thanks. Well, that slideshow was awesome, like I already said, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. I definitely did. It was fun to do. And make sure you follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and subscribe on YouTube if you're not already. And if you are, then thank you so much because I recently reached 1 million. That was awesome. So thank you guys so much. And little update here. I actually haven't gotten my play button yet, my gold one, for 1 million. So I'm hoping it'll come soon, and I'll have to give you guys updates on that. But for now, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.